Hi everyone, in this video we want to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. Solution: x raised to power x equal to 4 raised to power x plus 4. And I want you to note that in indices, if we have a raised to power b plus c is equal to a raised to power b multiplied by a raised to power c. So let us use the same principle to the right hand side here. So we are going to have x raised to power x equal to 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power 4. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by 4 raised to power x. So we are going to have over 4 raised to power x over 4 raised to power x. Here we have 1, here we have 1. I want you to note that if we have a raised to power b over c raised to power b is equal to a over c all raised to power b. So let us use the same principle in this left hand side. So we can say x over 4 all raised to power x equal to 4 raised to power 4. Now let us multiply the power of the both sides of the equation by 1 over 4. So we are going to have x over 4 all raised to power x multiplied by 1 over 4 equal to 4 raised to power 4 multiplied by 1 over 4. Let us multiply x and 1 over 4. So we are going to have x over 4 all raised to power x over 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 1 over 4 will give us 4. And I want you to note that 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 2. So in place of 4 here, let us put 2 raised to power 2. X over 4 all raised to power x over 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 2. Now in the left hand side, you see that our base is x over 4 and our power also is x over 4. On the right hand side, our base is 2, our power is 2. That means we can compare either the base or the power to determine the value of our x. So we can say x over 4 equal to 2. So if we cross multiply x equal to 4 multiplied by 2 and x equal to 8. So the value of our x is 8. Let us check our answer, and the given equation is x raised to power x equal to 4 raised to power x plus 4. And the value of our x is 8. So let us say 8 raised to power 8 equal to 4 raised to power 8 plus 8 plus 4. So 8 raised to power 8 equal to 4 raised to power 12. We know that 8 equal to 2 raised to power 3, and also 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 2. So let us substitute 2 raised to power 3 for 8 and 2 raised to power 2 for 4. So we are going to have 2 raised to power 3 all raised to power 8 equal to 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power 12. Now let us multiply the powers. 3 multiplied by 8 will give us 24. So 2 raised to power 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 12 will give us 24. 2 raised to power 24. That means our answer is correct. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.